Welcome to my channel Business and Investment Hub. Today video is about how to start Forex trading best Forex broker 2021. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end to know about Forex trading and how to start Forex trading in 2021. So the number first thing, what is Forex? The foreign exchange, also known as Forex or FX, is a decentralized over-the-counter market for trading fiat currencies. You will be glad to know that a forex trading is a $5 trillion plus per day market. So it's a huge and it's a very big market. Okay, and it takes around 24 hours Monday to Friday. So mean it's open 24/5 Monday to Friday, because first the Japanese market opens, then the European, then the UK, then the US. So it runs 24/5, okay, Monday to Friday. So it's a great market and you can make great money if you know what are you doing and how you are doing and how to start it. So how the forex market works? The forex market involves trading of the world's major currencies. Usually the value of the currency keeps on fluctuating against one another, and the market participants take advantage of that by using their current currency to buy another which they expect to rise in value. Okay, so for instance, if you are a US based user and you are a forex trader US based, so you have US dollars and you buy euro with that US dollars, and if euro increases then automatically you gain profit, you know that. So you come here about how to start a forex trading. So how to start forex trading, there are some steps. Okay, you will have to learn the basics of currency trading. Forex trading can be confusing and difficult for beginners, but once you know the basics, you know the strategies. For that you have to follow websites, books, and some journals and some groups so that you can learn the basics. I recommend that you at least put 2 to 3 months in your building your strategies. Okay, and one thing another, this video is all about forex trading. I'm not here to promote CFDs or betting or something like that, because I do not do that and I do not like that, and it's not good. This video is all about forex trading, about euro, USD, JPY USD or JBP USD or something else. It's all about forex trading, and this video is not about CFDs or betting or binary options. This video is not about that, and I do not recommend and promote those things, because forex trading is great and I love and I like forex trading. Okay, so that's the clearing point. So the first thing is to learn the basics. Okay, and you need to have some books, read books, blogs, journals, and it will be better if you follow a seasoned trained expert trader and make him as your mentor, so that you can follow his strategy step by step. After that, you will have to select, in the basics you will need to have some capital, and it's fortunate that forex trading can be start with just $5 to $10. Okay, so it's not a big deal for the start, and later you will have to organize the needed capital to start your business and become great in that. Okay, so the second step is to choose a broker. You will have to choose a broker which is available in your country, and they follow laws, and it is actually backed by some regulations, regulatory authorities, so that your funds are safe and you have a safe mind, so that you can play your trading game with cool mind. Okay, so you will have to choose broker which is reliable and it works in your country. That's important. You will have to search about that. I will provide you some of the brokers which works in US, UK, and Canada, and if you are watching from some other country, then you will have to do some research. Comment down below, or maybe I make a video for you as well. If you have watched till here, then like the video and subscribe the channel, because more videos like these will come and it will help you a lot. So after choosing a reliable broker, then it's time to come is to open a demo account with them. Okay, with a broker you will open a demo account. It will based on MT4, because MT4 is the platform which provide this buy and sell of the currency. So you will have to open a demo account, because when you open a demo account, they will give you, the broker will give you either $10,000 or $1 lakh. That will be a demo account for your learning purposes only. So what we will do, you will learn the basics, choose a broker, then open a demo account, and then you will apply your basics, your strategies in your demo account. So once you are good and you believe that you have gained certain type of knowledge and expertise, and that your strategies are actually making you profit, because you will see in your demo account, it will the demo account actually works on the real market. So you will get real results, means your strategy is working or not, you will get that right away. Okay, so demo account is really important. I recommend that you first start with the demo account. Do not start with the real account. Start with the demo account, learn the basics, learn strategies, and then apply those strategies in the demo account. If you get results, if you are good, actually it takes 2 to 3 months or maybe 4 months to get easy in the forex. You will have to know about the pips and something like that. It's a great market, and it have some entry barrier, because it's not that simple that you put your real money and you will start making money. You will have to learn something first, because if you do not learn, it will be just betting. Okay, so betting is not a good thing. You will have to learn the basics and then apply those strategies to your demo account. Once you are good in the demo, then put your real money and start your real account, and you will definitely get succeeded. Now let's come to this point: what is the best forex broker? Okay, I have researched about some of these, and I found that these four are the best for the US, UK, and Canada people residents. So these are the best one. Number one is IG, number second one is Ameritrade, and the third one is Interactive Brokers, and the fourth one is forex.com. So all of these works in the US. Okay, and of all of these four, I personally like IG because it's great. It's backed by some regulatory authority. All of these are backed, but IG has a great points. So I personally recommend you to open an IG account. I do not put links in the description. You can search that on Google, type IG, and you will get to their website, and there is step-by-step tutorial there how to open demo account, and how to then put your real money. But my recommendation is to wait for 3 to 4 months, learn the basics, and apply your strategies to your demo account. Once you are making money in the demo account, then put you on your real money and start with IG, because IG is great. Now here I gathered some data, and it's actually a data based on 100 different points, and that is about US forex brokers. Okay, forexbroker.com gathered this data, and I have this data to show it to you. So the top of the rank is here, you can see clearly, is IG group, because they have a points of 97. It's based on the trust score. Okay, how your funds are managed, how safe they are, the customer service, also the trading velocity, and also the trading time, how quick they put in your trade and stop loss, and all of these things are taken into account, and then scores are given. So IG group tops it, and it's have a 97 point. Forex.com has 92 points, Ameritrade has 94, and Interactive Brokers have 91. All of these have some pros and cons, but IG Trade here tops the list, and it's also the oldest one in 1974, Forex.com in 1999, and you can see the other ones, but here you can clearly see that IG Group top the list. So this is just a basic video about how to start forex trading. So if you want me to make videos about more topics on forex trading, my own strategies and the strategies I learned from different mentors, then comment down below so that I can make videos on those topics as well. This is a great channel, Business and Investment Hub. We make videos about businesses and investments so that people can start their journey in business and investments. So subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, like the video, and we will meet in another video. Take care. Bye.